So I am going to go ahead and arm up. Okay,
Do you have your LTC on you?
I don't want to answer those questions.
Okay. So if you just understand that the weapon system is not going to be anything harmful, right?
What do you mean?
It's not going to be a harmful weapon.
A harmful weapon?
Yeah. Something that it's just going to be a regular handgun.
I don't understand your question.
It's not going to be a long arm.
No.
Okay.
It's a handgun, and it's legal for me to carry.
Okay.
So I'm.
And you have your LTC, correct?
No, I do not.
No.
I don't require one.
Okay. All right. And why aren't you not required to have one?
I'm exempt.
Are you a peace officer or something?
Or something.
Yeah. What is something?
Or something.
Or something?
Or something. Yeah.
What is that?
It's irrelevant. Okay. So I did not realize I'm just a tourist. I'm here to get pictures of the courthouse. Okay. I'm not going to go inside the courthouse. Okay. I can be outside the courthouse, even carrying.
Oh, you're not going in, is what
No.
you're saying?
No, I can't go in with a firearm.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Okay,
I clearly understand that. Okay. But I'm just here to get. It's a historic building. I'm here to get pictures of the building. That's it.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Just be careful. Okay.
Oh well, yeah. I hurry up and get out of here before the sun goes down. Apparently.
Yeah.
Is the gang problem really that bad around here?
No. I just recently talked to one just a second ago. So, and that was just it. All right. So, just making sure that everything else is fine. Yeah. So there's not an epidemic.
Okay.
Yeah,
I gotta say this is Blanco. I mean, it's not like it's.
It's a single encounter. That's all it was.
Okay. It's not like El Paso where every other block you got gang members and stuff, but.
I've never been to El Paso. I haven't worked in El Paso.
It's crazy out there.
When's the last time you went over there?
About a year ago.
A year ago? Did you go for President Trump's?
No. That was long after I had been there. I was out there on business.
Okay. Has it changed since then? Do you know?
No.
So it's never
it's right on the border. Anything on the border, you're going to have gang members and cartel members and all that stuff. That's just the nature of what's there. Okay. As a matter of fact, when I leave here, I'll be going that way for my next visit, I guess. But for the next week, I'll be along the border.
Okay.
Because we're moving troops in there and all that kind of stuff.
Okay, you're gonna check it out.
I'm going to monitor the situation. Yes,
okay.
yes.
Yeah. Are you a journalist or
something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah.
That's a common response, isn't it?
Well, everybody's a journalist these days, aren't they?
I guess. I mean, people blog, people on Facebook, people on social media. I mean, I guess you consider that journalism. They're gathering information and reporting on themselves.
Yeah.
Reporting with their social status and everything else. So, okay. Yeah,
so there's not a gang problem here. So I don't need to carry.
No, I mean...
You're making it sound like you got gang members running up and down every street here. And I'm thinking, what, you got a Mexican mafia out here? What?
But to say that there is nothing out here, no, you can't. That's not the issue.
Okay.
But yes, there is, it's out of view, right?
Yeah,
okay.
It is.
No, there's not a big influx of MS-13 or anything like that.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
So I'm safe to walk around this courthouse and get pictures and maybe go inside now that I don't have to.
Yeah. I mean, you can do it. That's perfectly fine. Just make it like you already said. You're not gonna take it in there.
No. I've already secured it.
What kind of gun is it?
I've already secured it. It's just a little .44 revolver.
Oh, okay. 6 rounds.
Yeah, 6 rounds.
Okay. Yeah, it's not like my 6 hour, is it?
What do you got?
P226 357.
Ooh, the 357 SIG.
Yeah.
I like that round. Yeah. Nice flat shooter.
Yes.
I personally prefer the 10 millimeter, but the 357 SIG would probably be my second choice.
Does SIG have a 10 millimeter?
I think they do in the Legion series, if I'm not mistaken.
I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it, never seen it.
Yeah, don't hold me to that.
Yeah.
But Glock and Colt and
I imagine that they do. They've been around.
Yeah,
SIG,
both of them make it 10 millimeter. Do make 10 millimeter.
Okay.
That would be my absolute first choice. But if you're out here in a country like this shooting at vehicles, which is a good probability.
Yeah.
357 SIG's a good round.
Yeah. Well, it's a reliable round. Yes.
Well, it's good for penetration on sheet metal.
Your revolver, what is that, a 9mm or?
44.
You said that, 44. Okay, so you got an equally well weapon as well.
Yeah, I don't think that compares to 10 millimeter or 357 SIG. Yeah.
44?
Yeah, 44 is only like 850 feet per second. You know, your
What about the
357, well, it'll vary with the grain, but
Yeah.
357 SIG, you know,
All
if you've got
rounds,
the
yeah,
125, it's like
yeah.
1400 feet per second.
Yeah,
That's
I
a
don't know the
big
details
jump.
of that, yeah.
It's a big jump.
Yeah, I understand the 357, yeah, but I wasn't too sure about the revolver and the 44. Yeah.
Well, the 357 SIG was meant to duplicate the 357 Magnum round in an auto loader, and it comes pretty close. It comes pretty close. You know, when I worked in law enforcement, the revolvers were the mainstream weapon.
It's coming out.
And the 125 grain Remington semi-jacketed hollow point was the preferred round. I mean, it was the best stopper you could lay hands on, and worked good against vehicles.
Yeah.
So, you know, but
All right.
the fact that that revolvers were the predominant weapons tells you how old I am.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
anyway, let me hurry up and get these pictures.
Go ahead. And hey, thank you for cooperation. I'm sorry that, you know, it came a little bit as aggressive.
It's just unusual. It's just I've never had anybody walk up to me and ask me what I'm wearing like that. It's just.
Well, I mean, I didn't know what it was, you know. So I mean, I saw straps, and then, you know, you were behind the tailgate, you know. So I mean, not totally behind it, but enough to where I couldn't see what this was right here. So that
it works good to wear I mean, you'll call it a body camera, but to wear a chest-mounted camera, especially if you go inside the building. You know, because there's all kinds of artwork and stuff. So yes, I blog. So it do like a travel vlog.
Yeah.
And it gives like the feeling that you're actually in the building and walking.
Yeah.
That's why I use that camera. That's why I put it on, and that's why I wear it like right here, because it's literally just like walking and you know, like you're in the building yourself.
Yeah. All right.
Anyway, you have a good evening.
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right.